Hey everyone, today we are going to explore the fascinating world of transportation in living organisms. You see, plants have an incredible system to transport water, mineral, and sugar throughout their structure using xylem and flowing tissues. Similarly, humans have a complex circulatory system that transport blood, nutrients, and oxygen to various parts of the body. Transportation system is made up of three vital components: the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Heart pump blood throughout the body. Blood vessels comprise of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Together they act as road for blood to travel on. The blood itself is the vehicle that carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. Let's explore the heart, a crucial component of the circulatory system. The heart is essentially two pumps working side by side. The right side pumps blood to the lungs where carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream. The left side pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The heart has four separate chambers: two smaller chambers called atria, two lower chambers called ventricle. Blood first flow into the atria, which contract to force blood into the ventricle. The ventricle have thick walls filled with cardiac muscle. When this muscle contracts, it squeezes inward on the blood, pushing it out of the heart. The right ventricle pushes blood to the nearby lung. In contrast, the left ventricle with more muscle pushes blood to the other part of the body. As we discussed earlier, blood vessels are the tube that transport blood throughout the body. There are three main types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. Arteries have strong and elastic walls. Every artery divides into many tiny blood vessels called capillaries. The main function of the capillaries is to deliver oxygen, food, and other substances to the cell all over the body, and to collect material from them. The capillaries gradually join up with one another to form a larger blood vessels called veins. Veins carry blood back to the heart. The third component of the circulatory system is blood, a vital fluid that plays a crucial role in delivering oxygen and nutrient to cell and oxygen throughout the body. Blood is a liquid tissue that makes up 7% of our body weight, with an adult human having approximately 5 liters of blood. There are four main blood types: A, B, AB, and O, each determined by specific antigen present on red blood cells. The component of blood comprise of two main parts: solid part and liquid part. The liquid part comprises plasma, which make majority of blood volume. Plasma composed of 90% of water and 10% of substances. Likewise gas, ions and protein. The solid part comprise of cellular components: red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Red blood cells are disc-shaped cells without nucleus that carry oxygen. The red blood cell contain pigment, hemoglobin, which is made up of protein and iron. Hemoglobin combined with oxygen flow through the lungs, forming oxyhemoglobin, which is bright red in color. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. They act as killer cells that kills pathogens. White blood cells are of two types: lymphocytes and phagocytes. Lymphocytes kills pathogens by producing antibodies. Phagocytes engulf and destroy microorganisms. Platelets are fragment cells that help to stop bleeding. As we can see in the diagram, First one is activated form of platelets. The second one is inactivated form of platelets. Non-activated is the normal form of platelets. When stimulated, they are in activate form.